Welcome to my channel. Let's Learn. Today I am with another video on a routing issue. Here I am going to talk about FortiGate Firewall. Recently I added a new network on interface internal 2, which is connected to Telecom, and I am using this for SIP connection. In your case it might be different. On internal 1 I am connecting my server, which is a SIP server in my case. Everything was working fine. Routing, policy and connectivity were fully functional. You can see I have two static routes configured on the FortiGate firewall with WAN1 as a default route and route for 10.100.1.0/24 network via internal 2. However, due to fluctuation in network connectivity, the internal 2 interface sometimes goes down. Once this interface goes down and come up again, the connection to Telecom does not restore. I was wondering what could be the reason behind this. I suspect an issue with the SIP server and start debugging it. I installed TCP dump on the operating system and look for the particular traffic. On TCP dump, I observed that there was no reply from Telecom. Despite all services being fully functional and full connectivity between my internal network and the server, the SIP server could not connect with the Telecom network, which is through internal 2. Then I start debugging the traffic from the SIP server destined for the Telecom network on my FortiGate firewall. Here I found that firewall was trying to route traffic for 10.100.1.0/24 network via WAN1, that is through the internet, after the internal interface 2 goes down. So that's why it never reached its destination. Thus, my solution was simple. I created a new deny policy and blocked traffic through the WAN for the destination network of 10.100.1.0/24 network from the SIP server. In this way, my issue was resolved. Now, even if internal 2 goes down and comes up again, the connection through the Telecom will always restore. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel.